Guys, today's topic is about someone who never takes rest. In this video, we'll see who it is, its role, its functions, and everything about our hero. Yes, friends, I know you would have guessed it. We are going to see about a workaholic heart. We have characterized our video in terms of the position of a heart in human body, auricles and ventricles, the circuit of circulation, conversion of deoxygenated blood to oxygenated blood, double circulation, and its process, and some cool facts about our hero to give it a final touch. Now, without any further delay, let's get into the video. The first topic in our video is about the position of heart in the human body. A heart is the controlling unit of the circulatory system. As we know, it controls the flow of blood through the rest of our circulatory system. It works under the command of another brilliant organ called the brain. Getting back to our heart, it is completely a muscular organ. The heart is located in the chest cavity slightly tilted towards the left. Its size is similar to a clenched fist. Our heart is positioned in a fluid-filled cavity called the pericardial cavity. Our heart is composed of 4 chambers: left atrium, left ventricle, and the right ventricle. Next, we will move on to atrium and ventricle. The left atrium and the left ventricle are completely separated from the right atrium and the right ventricle. The atrium receives the blood while the ventricle pumps the blood outside the heart. Hence, ventricles are stronger and larger than atrium. The atrium is connected to the veins, whereas the ventricles are connected to the arteries. Arteries and veins are responsible for carrying the blood. We'll now step forward for the circuit of circulation in our heart. The right atrium receives the deoxygenated blood from a systematic circulation through the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. The left atrium receives the oxygenated blood from the pulmonary circulation through the left and right pulmonary veins. Blood passively flows into the atrium without passing through the valves. Our next milestone is the conversion of deoxygenated blood to oxygenated blood. Blood enters the right atrium and passes through the right ventricle. The right ventricle pumps the blood to the lungs where it becomes oxygenated. The oxygenated blood is brought back to the heart by the pulmonary veins which enters the left atrium. From the left atrium, the blood flows into the left ventricle and is circulated all over the body. Our final and interesting topic is double circulation. So what is double circulation? Double circulation is a process through which blood passes through the heart twice per circuit. The right pumps and sends the deoxygenated blood to the lungs where it becomes oxygenated and returns back to the heart. By this time, the blood returns to the heart in a deoxygenated state, and this is again pumped and sent to all parts of the body for circulation. Thus, this process is called double circulation. To give a final touch to our video, we'll see some cool facts about a heart. The number one fact is that a heart weighs between 7 to 15 ounces, that is 0.19 to 0.42 kilograms. The second fact about a heart is about the times it beats. It beats around 100,000 times a day. And the final fact is about the newborn babies who have the fastest heartbeats even compared to adults. That's all in this video, friends. I'll be coming with more interesting topics in the upcoming videos. Until then, if you like the video, hit on the subscribe and like button. Do share it with your friends, and if you want me to talk about any topics, do comment about it. And till then, have a great day. Bye.